Are you tired of greasy fried foods? Meet the air fryer, your new kitchen hero. With its amazing features, this appliance changes how you cook. I found an air fryer that offers amazing value. My focus was on mid-range options, and this one stood out. While reviews were scarce outside of Amazon, the feedback was overwhelmingly positive. In less than a week of use, I'm thrilled with my purchase, especially because it was on sale. This air fryer boasts a large basket capacity. Just yesterday, I cooked 3 thick Angus beef patties at once, and they were perfectly cooked and delicious. I even made an extra burger for my excited dog. This air fryer handles a variety of meats with ease, from burgers to a can of maple Spam and spicy hot links. I need to stock up on frozen snacks next time because I really miss fried steak fingers cooked in an air fryer. One of the best parts? It's extremely user-friendly. The touchscreen is straightforward, with handy presets for quick meals. Cleaning is a breeze. Just using dish soap and a paper towel leaves the basket spotless. You can even purchase air fryer filters to make cleanup quicker and easier. What really impresses me is its power. There's no need to wait for preheating, though you can if you want. The presets allow for easy cooking. Just select the meat preset and flip halfway. Before you know it, you'll have perfectly cooked meat that retains all its juices. So, if you want to enjoy crispy, delicious meals without the guilt of frying, this air fryer is your answer. Remember, product link is in the description below. We're excited about our fast delivery across all 50 US states. Order today and your Instant Pot Pro will arrive quickly in California, New York, Texas, Florida, and everywhere else. Please like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Your love and support inspire us to keep bringing you the best reviews, deals, and content every week. We are truly grateful for having you with us.